Hi, Vicky and everyone with Buckeye Horizon. My name's Christian Renna. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, this website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside services like Home Advisor and Angie's List. And the leads you get are exclusive to you as opposed to being sold to multiple different companies. So three things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first of those being content. So Google loves content. Content is king in the eyes of Google. The more you have, the better. But content is not just the words on your website. It's actually also the photos and what's behind the photos and how the photos are saved and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, etc. And so the more photos you have that are saved properly, the better, and also the more words you have with buyer intent keywords implemented into it, the better. And so the magic number is actually 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank, and then all your photos need to be saved properly. This is your main page. I didn't run this through word counter. I'm not quite sure how many words you have, but definitely less than the 1,500 recommended. But since you guys are an HVAC company, your home page, that's fine as long as your other pages that are important do have that volume. This is your heating page, and I did want to note that your photos are saved definitely not correctly, and also your slug is just heating, whereas heating, we need to heat everywhere in the northern United States, not Mansfield heating, for example, would be a lot better of a way to save your photos as. Either way, so this is your heating page, nowhere near the 1,500, so you're going to want to pump that volume up of words on your heating. Let's go to your plumbing. Again, very short, maybe no more than 200 words on this entire page. Cooling. A little bit more, but nowhere near where we need to be. So I would highly recommend on your heating, plumbing, and cooling pages to add at least 1,500 words minimum, and then make sure that your photos are saved properly. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. I know it's snowing like crazy right now, but AC season is coming up soon. I typed in Mansfield, Ohio AC repair. We got Blacks, we got Air Serv, and we got Baumberger heating and cooling. Okay, I didn't see you guys. So the various directories that would give you citations would include Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Instagram, Twitter, Yellow Pages, Yelp, just to name a few. Those are all going to give you citations. The more you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. But if you're not here, you at least want to be down here organically. You can see we got Joe Bear, we got Baumberger Heating, we got Air Serv, we got Buckeye Horizon. So you guys actually are in the 5th position for Mansfield, Ohio AC repair. So that's good. I hope that's bringing you some leads through that. Obviously, the higher up, the better, but you are here, and that is good. So I'm sure that you do understand the importance of being here. And then again, I'm not sure if Mansfield is the only city you guys work in, or if you guys travel, how far you travel, if this is the only place you're trying to target. But either way, the map pack and citations, that's how you get up in the map pack. Next is I have your Google My Business page pulled up here. A couple things I want to point out. Congratulations on the review. So 272 reviews with a 4.9 is definitely something highly sought after, and definitely something to hold your heads up to. So congratulations on that. Your address, your hours, and your phone are here. One thing I would recommend is adding your website down in the appointments section, and that's going to help drive traffic to your website as well. Lastly is the photos. So we recommend 10 minimum, and it actually looks like you guys have at least that 10 number. For sure you guys have that 10. But the thing is that they all have to be saved properly. So you want to go in and make sure that all your photos are saved as the correct buyer intent keywords that you're trying to target. Other than that, you guys have a pretty nice Google My Business page, and your reviews are definitely something to be proud of and magnificent. The last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the internet that BuckeyeHorizon.com is at. So that's going to give you a backlink. You guys actually have 199 backlinks coming from 98 referring domains. But as you can see, your domain rating is actually only a 9 out of 100. That's no good. So what that tells us is that your backlinks are most likely coming from spammy sites or sites that are not relevant to heating and cooling. So do your homework. This is a tool we use called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. This gives a lot of information on your website. You're going to want to find out where your backlinks are coming from, and you're going to want to be sure to remove the backlinks from any sites that are spammy and any sites that are not related to the trade, and get that domain rating up significantly. Because with 199 backlinks from 98 referring domains, you should be well above a 9. So any questions or comments or feedback, we greatly appreciate it. I hope that you find the time to implement these tips into your website to bring yourself some more revenue in the upcoming season. Yeah, so just let us know, and thank you very much for watching.